vowels. Students, you know that how many vowels are there in English alphabet? There are 5 vowels. There are 5 vowels and those are A, E, I, O, U. One more time. How many vowels are there? There are 5 vowels. A, E, I, O, U. Okay. Now let us write some of the words, some of the naming words that starts with these vowels, like A for apple, E for egg, I for ink pot, O for orange, U for, yes, umbrella. Now tell me, apple, egg, ink pot, orange and umbrella, these are singular or plural? आपने singular and plural पढ़ा है ना? So apple is 1 because इसमें S नहीं लगा है. Egg is also 1 because this is singular, isn't it? Ink pot is singular, orange is singular and umbrella is singular. Let me draw apple, egg, ink pot, orange and umbrella. Okay, now see, these are the words that starts with vowel sound और ये सब 1 है. क्या है? 1 है. So the words, the naming words that starts with vowel sound A, E, I, O, U और अगर वो 1 होंगे तो आपको एक वर्ड है A and an, उसका यूज करना पड़ेगा. Suppose you have been asked, what is this? So you have to say, this is an apple. This is an apple. What is this? This is an egg. Again we have to say this is an egg and the spelling of an is an. This is an egg. What is this? This is an ink pot. A and an का use वो words के पहले करते हैं, वो naming words के पहले करते हैं जो 1 है, जो singular है और जो vowel sound A, E, I, O, U से start होते हैं. Now tell me, what is this? This is an orange. A and an इसीलिए because orange starts with vowel sound O. This is an orange. And what is this? This is an umbrella because umbrella starts with vowel sound U, or you can say it starts with A, not U, It starts with sound a. U for umbrella, but it starts with sound a. An umbrella. So let us revise. Why do we use the word an? An is used for the naming word that starts with A, E, I, O, U, and provided that they must be 1 in number. Okay. So, if you have remembered, अगर आपको याद होगा तो मैम हमेशा आपको कहती थी ना, if suppose I'm asking you what is this, so you will tell me a tree. A tree. और हमेशा मैम आपको कहती थी ना that a means 1. Now we have 2 1 today, a and an. Now next example. What is this? The simple answer is this is a bat. A means 1. Now see the difference that for apple we have used an and for a tree we have used a. Why? Because tree starts with T or T and bat starts with letter B, and these two letters are not vowels. So it is clear that the naming word that starts with letter A, E, I, O, U and which is 1 in number, we will use article a and an. और जो A, E, I, O, U से start नहीं होंगे और 1 in number है, that means singular है, we will use A or O for them. So, on the same concept, we are going to do an exercise today of A and an. मैम मैं आपको समझाया है कि A कहाँ यूज़ करना है और an कहाँ यूज़ करना है. The naming word that starts with A, E, I, O, U or the naming word that starts with the vowel, हम लोग उसमें A and an put करेंगे. ठीक है. So, these are the words जिसमें आपको A या फिर an put करना है. किसी में A आएगा और किसी में an आएगा. So let us read it first, then we will write the answers. So this is F for fish, B for boy, F for fan, I for ice cube, A for apron, O for orange, D for drum, G for gun, I for igloo, C for cat, H for hut, K for kite, B for bib, E for ear. हमको क्या करना है? Either we have to write A or A and an. So first of all, what we will do? First we will find out the words that starts with vowel. Vowel वाले जितने भी words हैं ना, उनको हम पहले find out कर लेते हैं जो vowel से start होते हैं. Okay? So first we have to find out A. A, 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 A. That means A for apron. So we will put A and an here. An apron. Then the next vowel is A, E. E, 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 E. An ear. we put a and an to the words that starts with vowel sound and that are one in number. जो singular vowel से start होने वाले naming words होते हैं, we are putting a and an to them. Okay, so an apron, an ear. Now the next vowel is a, e, I. I, I. That means an ice cube. An ice cube. An ice cube, एक ice cube. An apron, एक apron. Now the next vowel sound is A, E, I, O. Let us start the naming word. Let us search the naming word that starts with vowel sound, vowel letter O. O, 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 O. That means an orange. An orange. Now let us start A, E, I. I we have not searched. Okay, let us search I also. Sorry. One I is done, isn't it? I, 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 I. An igloo. That means A and an means one. और हम and कब पुट करेंगे? जब कोई नेमिंग वर्ड AEIOU से स्टार्ट होगा और वो सिंगुलर होगा. Okay. So in A or an we have searched all the words that we have to put A and an with. Okay, so an ice cube, an apron, an orange, an igloo, an ear. Now rest of the words that they are start with the consonants. जो vowel नहीं होते वो क्या होते हैं? Consonant होते हैं and we have to put simple A with them. So here my answers are a fish, a boy, a fan, a drum, a gun, a cat, a hut, a kite, a bib. So this was today's lesson that we have learned how to use a and an for the naming words that are singular. Singular naming words को हम a और and से किस तरह से लिख सकते हैं और किस तरह से हमको a और and naming words के लिए use करना है, that we have learned today. That means for the word that starts with vowel sound AEIOU हमको a and an use करना है and for rest of the letters we have to use a. Okay, so this is your classwork for the day and in the next page I have written homework for you that you need to note down. So what is your homework for the day? It is dash apple, dash tent, dash egg, dash jar, dash owl, dash umbrella, dash van. Okay, note it down. This was your homework, and in the previous page it was your classwork. So I am keeping it still. Just note it down. A fish, a boy, a fan, an ice cube, an apron, an orange, a drum, a gun, an igloo, a cat, a hut, a kite, a bib, an ear. So KG2, that's all for today. Have a nice day. Bye bye.